In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pin on Pinterest using multiple images. Now, whether you're a seasoned Pinterest pro or a new user looking to enhance your profile, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to Pinterest. Open up your web browser and type in the Pinterest URL, or open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you're greeted by an array of vibrant pins waiting to provide you with inspiration. But today, it's all about what you're going to create. Next, navigate to your profile. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small circle with your profile picture or initial inside it. Click on this, and you'll be seamlessly transported to your personal Pinterest oasis. This is your space, showcasing all the pins and boards you've curated over time. Once you're on your profile page, keep your eyes peeled for the Create button. It's usually highlighted, beckoning you to dive into the creativity Pinterest offers. Now click on the Create button. This is the start of your new pin journey. From the options provided, select Pin. It's a straightforward process designed to help you get your content out there with ease. This will take you to a new screen where the magic happens. Here you'll have the opportunity to add your images. At this point, you're ready to upload your images. You can choose 2 or more images from your computer or device. Simply click on the upload area, and a file dialog will pop up, allowing you to select the images you'd like to pin. For an engaging and dynamic pin, consider selecting images that tell a story when viewed in sequence or those that showcase different angles of a subject. This not only makes your pin visually appealing, but also captures the essence of what you're trying to convey. Once your images have been selected and uploaded, you're essentially done. However, don't forget to add a title and description to your pin. This step is crucial as it helps the Pinterest algorithm categorize your pin correctly and makes it easier for others to discover. Be clear and concise with your descriptions, and don't shy away from using relevant keywords. These not only improve your pin's visibility, but make it more likely to engage others. And there you have it, your pin is ready. Pinterest will guide you through any final touches or options, like selecting a board where you'd like your pin to be saved. All that's left is to click that final button to make your pin live, sharing your ideas and inspirations with the world. Creating a Pinterest pin is truly a straightforward yet rewarding endeavor, adding color and ideas to your board and showcasing your creativity to the Pinterest community.